To have the live update working into the network, you need to configure it from the back office. In the back office, you go to Parameters, and from here you go to System, and then Default System. And here you have to put in the UNC, so that is the way you need to encode the directory that will have the new version of all the modules. So usually it's // the name of the server, / and then the directory that has been shared. Then you can say how many minutes you want that the system waits before he looks for a new update. So currently with 10 minutes, every 10 minutes the system will look if there is a new version of any module in that directory. And if you are a cloud-based customer, you need to say that you are cloud-based, otherwise you just say you are on-site. So that is really the basics, so that the network update will work. We say network update because there is another part that is the live update that looks if there is a new version of the module on our server and brings it to your server. That part of the network update is for the workstation to look on your server if there is a new version of the module or not. On my computer, I have a directory that is called E4soft MAG. That is the directory that I have shared, and that has all these files. So if I go and I can look here, I am in French because my system is in French, but if I go to share, you can see here the directory, and you can cut and paste if you want. So from there, if I look in that directory, I have only the E4 back office. I don't have all the other executables. And I have the E4Synchro v2, that is the one that makes the live update. If you launch E4 back office, it will launch automatically, but you will not see anything. So I will begin by double-click E4Synchro v2, that is a manual update. He will show you the directory that we have made in the back office. I can test it, and he will say it's working successfully. I cannot change it here. If I wanted to make a change, I need to go to the back office. He lists all the files that he has seen that needs to have an update. So now I will click on update, and he will begin to copy all these files to the current directory. We can see all these files coming up here in the directory from the update. So that is how you can manually make an update of all the modules. In this part of video, you will see how the automatic network update is working. So I still have my directory like in the previous video with the E4soft MAG with all the modules, and here I have only E4 back office. If I have also E4Synchro v2, but now I will launch E4 back office, and you will see that after a couple of seconds he will launch the automatic update, and you can ask for starting the update immediately. You can see what will be updated. So from there you can say do the update, and now you will see that the system is copying the modules from the E4soft MAG directory to the current directory where the application is launched. You can do that with any module that you launch. He will look for the automatic update if the directory is correctly set in the back office.